let's look at this problem up here. All right, so this problem up here is saying that we have y to the fourth. So I'm right here. We have y to the fourth times y to the n. That is divided by y squared. And it's equal to y to the negative 3. We need to find the value for n. All right, so what we're going to do here is simply put together the ideas and see what we get. And then we can make some links and association after that. All right, so let us rewrite this. So we have y to the fourth to be multiplied by y raised to the n power. And this is over y squared. This should equal to y to the negative 3. Now, remember, though, we're on top here. So we are on top here. Remember that when you actually multiply the same letters, all right, you add their power. So in this case, we're looking at y raised to the 4 plus n, and that is going to be over y squared, and this is still equal to y to the negative 3. Again, if you look, we have the base of y, the base of y. When you divide the same letters, we subtract their power. So this is going to happen now. Y raised to the 4 plus n, and we're going to subtract the power of 2 from that. That is going to equal to y raised to the negative 3. So you see we're getting somewhere. Let's come all the way up here. Now, y to the fourth minus 2 will give us y squared. And then there's a plus n. That's fine. And this should equal to y to the negative 3. Now, at this time, we want to find a value for n. What we could do is just simply drop the same base because we have y on both sides. So it's like we're going to cancel that, cancel that. So we're really left with 2 plus n, which is equal to negative 3. What is n? You'll subtract 2 from both sides. So n is equal to negative 5. There you go. So n is negative 5, and that's that. Let's look on the final one. All right. So this one here, we have solve 5x squared minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Give your solution correct to 3 significant figures. Most times when you are asked to give your answer correct to significant figures, when you're solving a quadratic, you know it's going to be the quadratic formula, right? Because when you can factorize, you're either going to get a fraction or you're going to get a whole number. But we cannot factorize here. Hence, we've been asked to represent our answer to 3 significant figures. Remember, it's a quadratic because you can see the highest power of the variable is 2. Now, let us name A, B, and C. A is equal to 5, B is equal to minus 4, and C is equal to negative 3. What is the quadratic formula? It says that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is going to be the formula that we're going to be using now. So let's start. X is equal to minus b, minus. But remember, b is a negative number. So I'm going to put it in a bracket so we could see it separately. So there's a minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared. So b squared, that's a negative 4. And you're going to square that. Minus 4 times a is 5 times c, and c is negative 3. All of this must be over 2 times a, 2 times 5. Moving forward, right here where we have the 2 negatives, this is going to be a positive. So it's going to be positive 4 plus or minus the square root of 16. Negative 4 times negative 4, that's going to give us 16. So let's just check out quickly. 4 times 5 times 3, that's going to give us positive 60. So we have positive 60 right here. And all of this must be over 10. We're still going. Positive 4 plus or minus the square root of 76. And this must be over 10. We're still carrying on. So carrying on, x is equal to 4 plus or minus the root of 76. That's going to give us 8.718. So I'm using 718. And this must be over 10. At this time, I will need to say either x is equal to 4 plus 8.718 over 10, or x is equal to 4 minus 8.718 over 10. So let's put it together. We're going to get 12.718. You divide this by 10, x is equal to 1.2718. Remember, they want this to 3 significant figures. So it's going to be 1.27. That's one of our responses. The second response is that we're going to have 4 minus 8.718, and then when you subtract that, we're going to be getting negative 4.718, and that is going to be over 10. So definitely we will be getting this, right? We will be getting x is equal to negative 0.4718. But to 3 significant figures, x is equal to negative 0.472. Here are our 2 responses. X is equal to 1.27, or x is equal to negative 0.42. Thank you for watching Daily Maths Concepts. Look out for more videos that will be coming. See you next time. Bye.